In primetime news this evening, who are the best and worst performing government ministers? Jamaicans weigh in.
Not letting up. St. Thomas residents continue protests against state of the road.
Education Minister urges schools to activate online learning platforms in areas where classes have been disrupted. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, there's good news this evening for workers in the manufacturing and export sector. They're planning for retirement. Find out about their new pension plan later in the business day.
And Spencer is here. Spencer, I hear a sprinter is coming back, a Jamaican sprinter. What's coming up in sports?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the former world 100-meter record holder, Safa Powell, hasn't competed this season, but he says he hasn't retired just yet. We'll tell you more in the main package later.
Why retire, right? And before the break, there's the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking,
what do you suggest can be done in the interim to improve the commute along the main roadway in St. Thomas?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.